character, extract from tradition, tempered in history, from inheritance to innovation, from simple to extreme. Craftsman is greatly dedicated, is the persistence for decades. It's the pursuit of excellence attempting hundreds of times. 38 years as songs. Huayue is strive for greatness and forge ahead. Accumulate steps and reach thousands of miles. We keep exploring, consolidate our own foundation, continuously introduce and train high-tech talents, fully promote product upgrading and technological innovation, from independent paper cutting equipment to complete cutting system solutions, continuously expand product application field, optimize the system structure, continue to create maximum value for customers. Since 38 years, Huayue adhering to the rely on high-tech, rely on scientific management to ensure first-class products, to ensure customer satisfaction policy, develop diversified products by yourself, pass the provincial and ministerial level appraisal, the technology of related products, reach the international advanced level, make 2 national standards along the way, 8 industry standards, responsible for 3 projects of Torch Plan, 5 scientific and technological progress awards, 7 industry certifications, 8 patents for product inventions. The glory is full of honor. In the future, Huayue will continue to surpass, inherit the spirit of ingenuity, pursue the ultimate quality, create the world's leading cutting enterprise, achieve the century-old world brand of Huayue. Cut out own style. Quality is high as a mountain.